So I'm actually supposed to go dinner with my friends, but they're late, so I can't wait anymore. I'm gonna have some snacks first, then we will head out to some place for dinner. What's up? Morning guys, so gonna start off the day reviewing all the footages, and then yeah, I'm not really hungry yet, so I haven't even made my first coffee yet, but yeah, later breakfast, coffee, and then the day goes on. Let's go. So this is my first edit after a while. I haven't edited a video for so long. Yeah, but because I lack of inspiration, lack of creativity, but yeah, and then I came to a point where I realized, you know, screw that, I'm gonna start doing daily vlogs. Whatever happens, I'm just gonna upload it and, you know, keep improving from there. So this will be my first video after like 2 to 3 weeks, I believe. So yeah, let's go. Let's sushi. Alright, let's get the work started. Towards the wrong topic. So I was saying, the struggle is that, you know, when you first start off, you're not getting paid, you're not getting money from YouTube itself. So yeah, you get a little nervous about your financial situation, and you start. So my first vlog after so long is now rendering and uploading soon. So I'm gonna have breakfast while I wait, and then I'm gonna keep editing today with all of my daily vlogs. So yeah. By the way, this is my favorite buns, red bean. Tastes really good. So let's have at it. So breakfast is done, and today I'll be cooking NAN GYI THOKE, which is Gabriel's favorite Burmese food. So yeah, since I'm living at his house for free for a couple of days, I'm gonna cook something that he really likes. And yeah, and I'm really good at this noodle, so let's get cooking. One of the main ingredients inside NAN GYI THOKE is actually garlic, and basically you're just putting garlic in a hot oil, and then you get all the flavor out, and that is one of the ingredients that you need inside this noodle. So yeah, gonna chop off the garlics and then get ready. You wanna help me to cook, Goose? You wanna help? No? The amount of garlic to go inside the room. So I'm gonna make the first ingredient that is needed for the noodle, and it's just fried garlic. We call it the, what's that? Then the main secret is not the garlic. The main secret, I'm gonna show it to you guys, is this powder right here. It's turmeric powder. It gives a lot of flavor to the oil. It's really nice with the garlic. So yeah, that's the secret, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'll start off with something small so that just in case you don't add too much oil in it. So get that fire ready. And then you're gonna add some oil. Okay. It's gonna match. And you're gonna wait for the oil to heat up, and then once that is done, you will put your minced and diced garlic inside. So once you can see the oil is hot, you're gonna off the gas and then start adding in your garlic. The reason being, you don't want to burn your garlic, you just want to, you know, fry it up just nice. Alright, I want to get every bit of that garlic, stir that up, and once it starts turning like golden brown, you start to add in your turmeric powder. Here we go. That's good. Stir that up a little bit. Ooh. So this is what you're looking for, golden brown garlic. This is very essential for the noodle dish that we're gonna do later on. Oof, my god. Boil in some eggs. Wow. This pan is surprisingly super heavy. So the next dish, the next ingredient that we're gonna do is our meat. So basically it's gonna be the same thing. I'm gonna add in ginger, garlic, and then some onions for something like gravy, kind of like a sauce, you know, get that caramelized onion sauce in. And today's meat, we're actually using pork. I seriously can't find any chicken meat yesterday, so yeah, we're gonna go with pork, and then yeah, we're gonna make our meat dish. So yeah, so usually this dish is, I've never actually tried with pork. Yeah, there's like people use fish cake, chicken basically, but yeah, can't find chicken yesterday, so we're gonna go with pork. And yeah, let's start cooking. Some oil in the pan. Seriously, this pan is just too heavy. I think it's like 8 kg. Bloody hell. So it's the same thing, garlic, ginger in, and some turmeric powder. That is the key to most of the dishes in Myanmar. That's the secret, man. Classic. Looks good. And then once it's ready, once you can smell the garlic and the ginger, you're gonna add in all the onions, like right now. So while your onions are cooking, yeah, I'm gonna chop up all the meat, the pork. So yeah, here we go. And look at that. So right before you add in your meat, you're gonna add in some chili powder for some color and flavor. That's a lot. There you go. Then you add a little bit of water and you're pretty much done. You. All right, ready. Looking good. That's a lot of noodles. Nice. What?
Not nice.
Wow. I'm so good. Yes. I'm probably gonna finish this. So good. Oh my god. Round 2. Fight! Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go.
Really? Root beer mixed with
No. Soda and the bandung. It's a
is a signature.
So after all that noodles, I think I ate 3 rounds. We're going for a walk to Sembawang's beach. Let's go. Life of a vlogger. You set up a shot, you walk away, you walk back to take your camera. Yes. We almost there. Alright, we are finally here at Sembawang Park, and yeah, here's the beach. Pretty dirty. Boom. Plastic. Garbage.
Actually, it's a lot deeper.
So my very first memory at this Sembawang beach would be during secondary school, coming here to clean up the mess that all the people have done. Yeah, usually I think they still do clean up, but yeah, it's still pretty dirty. So And I also used to patrol around here during my national service, during my army time. But yeah, can't share a lot with you guys, so yeah, just know that yeah, this I'm very familiar with this place, and nothing have changed, so looks good. That right there is the vibe, man. Coming down to the beach alone, watching World Cup football. Peace and quiet. So, pretty much done with the day. I doubt I want to make that kind of vlog, this kind of vlog again. You know, going on a hike and vlogging is different from vlogging while you're cooking alone. So, it's quite crazy. But yeah, I have a fun day. Everyone loved the dish and it was quite enjoyable. Right, Sushi? Sushi didn't get to try. And the walk just now was, yeah, it's quite nice as well. So good day after all. So yeah, right, Sushi. Anyway, probably gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Sushi, bye bye.